Hello, friends. Just wanted to do a quick intro to this audio that you're going to hear. Um, this is just audio, and I'm going to explain why. But this was amazing, the results I did get from this. And what I did was I turned around and installed the audio file that I have for saved for the UltraVox-Pro app by Danny Bigbeard. And this audio is strictly just mixed sounds without any voice. There's no human speech, no human voice in this audio. And so I put that audio in the application and I did a session to test it. And in the process of doing that, as I was doing the session, I used my Bluetooth speaker as I'm speaking into my phone, and I set that to my Wavepad audio editing software with the KRISP background noise editing tool applied. So this is the audio that I received from it, and amazingly, I got so much clear direct responses or related responses by doing that. Like I say, the audio that I used had absolutely no human speech to it whatsoever. I believe it's like bird sounds, water sounds, some Spiricom audio in there. So there's no human speech. But I definitely got speech in return when I went through to check that audio. Some clear, mostly clear responses, some not as clear. But I've done nothing to enhance this audio other than maybe slight noise reduction on some of the area, but I've done nothing to enhance. I'll annotate the best I can. And let me know if you guys prefer I don't annotate, that's fine. Let me know. And if I get enough people saying no, don't annotate, I won't annotate the audio. And uh, what I get from it, I get, and what you get from it, you get. But just so people are aware, when I listen to the audio, anytime I do the session, I go over it over and over. And I do it several times. I'll slow it down. I'll do a little noise reduction. I'll try to make it out the best I can. And then I'll annotate according to basically what I feel like I'm hearing. It's common that we don't always hear exactly the same, and that's understandable. This is that audio. Check it out. I think you'll find there's a lot of great communication here. But so here you go, guys. Let me know what you think. Thanks. God bless. Bye.
Hello, friends. This is Kevin. Let's try this audio running it through the KRISP filtering system, okay? Okay. Bridget, can you come through and help me out with this audio, hon? Hi, Bridget. I believe I heard you coming through. Can you say as clear as you can, hello, Kevin, for me, please? For me? I'd like to greet all my lovely friends on the other side, my mom and my other family members as well in spirit. Those in the circle team, blessings to you all. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving if you celebrated on the other side. Do you celebrate Thanksgiving, friends? Did you have turkey? If you eat food the way we eat food, were you able to eat turkey or ham? Which one did you eat? So friends, can you say spirits speak for me, please? Thank you, friends. I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I've taken enough of your time and energy. So thank you for blessing me as always. Much love to you. And thank you for being part of me. God bless. And I'll say goodbye. Go ahead and say goodbye for me if you would. Thank you. Love you. Bye-bye.